live. Okay. Hello. Let's see if this is working. Let's play music. Let me just make sure that we don't have music here. We don't? Okay, that's good. So finally we have better music here. It's not, I don't know how better it is. It's better, because the previous music was really like down-putting. It really was like too slow and weird. So now we have a bit better one. And also it won't loop. So that is nice. Alright.
It will loop.
It will loop. It won't
play
replay.
again. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so this is what I was thinking about talking right now. We did change some of the design from yesterday. We figured that these glyphs that we were talking about, that we would be putting on all these slots, not only about the glyphs but also about character. You know, that doesn't make sense. I was thinking about it. Characters. Think about this. It's like chart. C, chart, right? Archer, C and H. But character, no, that's character. You can't, because I didn't hear many other people saying that word. I kind of figured that like I would read it like that, right?
Well,
Wouldn't you read it like that if it's, I don't know. It pisses me off. I mean, English. Generally, I like English actually even better than my own language because it sounds better and to me, and I feel like it has more ways of expressing. But reading and writing being different is retarded. Sorry. It's stupid. Like in our language, it's just if it says mage, it's like you read it exactly as it says, and it's simple. But alright, whatever.
Got pissed off by it.
Yeah, we're streaming about game. I'm saying shit about language. Alright, so back to the game. What I was saying here is that yeah, we wouldn't really have these big units anymore. We figured a way around that, and before we wanted some of the units to take like 2 slots or 4 slots, even 9 in some cases, but we had too many problems with it. For instance, if we had glyphs underneath, then alright, so unit with 2 slots would have 2 glyphs, and that would be pretty cool actually. But this guy would have 9 slots, and that is too much. 9 glyphs, yeah. So imagine 9 glyphs here. That is like, if the glyphs are all very powerful and very important, like, what is that unit?
The thing is that if this unit is taking 9 slots, he's already a powerful unit, and that's why it takes 9 slots.
Yeah.
And plus 9 glyphs, that's too much. We cannot balance this.
Exactly.
So we had to figure out some way around it.
But it will work actually if we have only 1 slot and 1 unit, because we can have different thing. We can have, if it's a big unit, like it's a big behemoth lizard beast, some huge thing, it can actually cost a lot for maintenance, and that's like including their food. We are not sure if we're gonna have some food stat or not, because we feel like it's maybe not necessary. But still we can say like it costs like 100 gold per week, meaning that it costs for food 100 gold, right? Because it's a beast, it doesn't take money. But then we can have it like that, so you cannot really have more than 1 or 2, because you cannot afford to have them. It's not really smart to have too many of them, because all your gold is going to get drained. And that's the same way like having a limit for space. So that should be fine.
Plus one more thing I was worried about, because unit icons now with this size is okay, and I was worried how would look the unit icon that takes 9 slots.
Yeah.
It's like too big.
It might not look as pretty. Yeah. Alright, so this is one of the things. Another thing that we haven't talked about yet is that we want to add some stats to units. So because we first wanted to have like conditions, so there is like physical condition and magical condition, and then you would train them, but that turns out to be a little bit too much of micromanagement.
Yeah, it's the problem. If you train them but they die,
yeah, and that's too.
There's no point to train them. To lose the resources on training them, because they're gonna die.
They are a bit more expendable than in most games. That's the problem. But we are also then figured like, okay, what if we had some stats like this? We had strength, agility, health, stamina, and magic. Magic should be up here probably because these three are kind of stats that are affecting every action that they have. By action I mean every ability, so they might have, these are the abilities of this warrior unit. So he has attack, he has parry, and he has block. Uberlord X, hey guys, just wanted to say that if you enable the low latency setting on Twitch, you will get a little to no delay from live chat here instead of the usual 10 seconds. Cheers from the streamer. Yeah, we should definitely do that. Thank you for reminding us. We weren't affiliate and then we turned it off because some people weren't able to follow us. It was laggy, but now that we entered the affiliate program, you can now set the quality.
I don't even know how this works.
Yeah, it's just one setting. We turned it off because some of the people were having a lag watching us, because before being affiliate you cannot really set the quality. You have to watch us on maximum quality, and then if they don't have like that fast internet they couldn't follow, but now I think it's doable. Yeah, thank you. So where it is? Why is... There it is. Alright, so attack action, then this is a block action, like weapon block, this is a shield block, and these are some special attacks like bleed or like some kind of push with the shield that is knocking down enemies. So all of these actions would have some stats affected by the basic stats from unit. So for instance, attack has damage and it has attack speed. So damage is increased by strength and by agility. But strength, every point of strength gives it 10 points of damage, meaning that 4 strength equals to 40 damage. While he has 5 agility but has only 25 damage from it because it's only 5 points of damage per agility. That's like the attack of this specific unit. Maybe some mana assassin who is more like a rogue, he would get more damage from agility. But the idea there is that every action would get some of these points from some of these stats, and then you would, every time the character levels up, you can actually select what kind of stats do you want here, and then you would upgrade that, and that would affect your abilities. Here, for instance, strength is actually lowering the speed. It is increasing the amount of time it needs to attack, while agility is decreasing. So if you have huge strength, he will have higher damage but slower attack, so you need to kind of balance it out. And when you buy them, if he is like level 8, he already has some stats set up. But then when he levels up in some battle, you can choose what stats you want to Yeah, thank you. We are trying to figure out this system, and we had some a lot of different system before where every action would actually have like a level, and then you would choose what actions to level up. But then we have problems because like he has a shield that is level 1 and attack that is level 10, and then somebody else who is going to attack this warrior, they're going to break through his shield like it's nothing, it's useless.
Yeah.
It's better if he doesn't even have it. So we had to think of something else, and there is also armor and magic resist. Alright, so basically there is a lot here, and last time we were talking about the other design decisions that include this new market and camp and the interface that you would use as a player. So basically we are planning to make a video and tell you everything that we are planning, and then if you're really interested in like giving us some opinion and maybe affecting how the game will turn out, you can check that out, and on Discord we are going to talk about it some more before we start implementing it. But right now we don't want to talk about all of these things in every stream because it's going to take like 30 minutes or more to cover every aspect, and still it might be confusing. We are planning to kind of do video where we pretend to play the game. We would go like, alright, so this is the camp, I'm going to pretend to buy
simulate like gameplay loop.
Yeah.
And hopefully hear some feedback from you.
Yeah, we would show you parts that are already done in the game but simulate the other ones, and maybe pretend like we have a quest and how that is all going to work, so you can really feel like what the single player game is going to be.
Okay,
so alright, let's play. Yeah. We are already in the screen for play, so...
Yeah, music?
Yeah. Speakers were low. Alright guys, so you can join now. If you don't know how to do that, write hashtag with name of any of these characters and you can join. You can write even shortcuts like instead of mage, just M. You have 5 points for this one, but we're gonna increase it for next one. So I am adding mage, level 1. Then if you want higher level, you write like priest, and then next to him, her, a number like priest level 3. But this is terrible theme, so I'm going to clear, and I'm going to add something different. Wait, let me help you this.
Yeah.
Going to following. Weird. Come on. There we go.
Okay.
Who should we try?
Change to Twitch.
Okay, I'm gonna try with Vorg level 2. Let me see what you have. Okay. Archer level 1 and Priest level 2. There we go. Let's see what Daniel chooses.
Let's go with Warrior 5.
Alright, so we're gonna add one bot here and start. I actually enjoy this game and have been waiting for you guys to stream every time. Oh, thank you! We are streaming at the same time, at this exact time every day. Well, I won.
You played against bots.
I won against them. So we are streaming every day, and feel free to, whenever you are freer, feel like hanging out. So, and if you have any ideas or anything, where's me? You're the right. This is your team. You're actually...
You're actually gonna lose.
Yeah. Daniel chose level 5 warrior and seems
Yeah.
to be a better combination at this point.
Chat is the problem. That's why he doesn't see.
Yes, let me disable the chat. We don't even need this chat in the stream.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can see yourself better. So in some cases higher level units are really nice. Because, but if we had, like, if I had level 5 orc, he would destroy the warrior easily. Alright, let's try another one. The warrior block, yeah, he did. He actually has block that is super efficient against archers or, well, any projectiles. Alright, who do we add?
No, we're still gonna.
Hey,
10
let's try
units.
more. Let's try more. We can have 10 units now.
When you wait.
Or 10 points. So I don't know, I'm just thinking. Alright, let me try something like this. Daniel is wisely waiting for us to choose and then he will counter us. Nice thing when a lot of people are playing is that we can then you cannot really counter
There we
that
go.
much. Yeah, he's going to win probably. Maybe not, maybe Mage. If Mage manages to hit him, maybe he can destroy him. But I feel that the archer is going to hit my mage first,
Yeah.
way faster. Alright.
Interesting one. Yeah, I'm gonna lose.
Yeah, you can win against Daniel now. Probably.
Maybe.
Alright, let's add one bot and start. I fear for your life. It goes through the shield, through everything.
Yep.
Okay, so you're now fighting against a bot, so we have to have these bots in order to have these championship screens, because if we don't have right amount of people, we cannot make the tables. But now you're going against Daniels. I feel like you can win. Recently? Well, this is the...
lower.
How is the music? Is it, I mean the volume, is it
Yeah, I lost.
working? Yeah, and
When we go
pretty
now.
well.
Oh, exit.
Yeah. Sorry about that, we have double music. We're gonna fix
What
it.
happened?
Well, I messed it up.
What?
I added something. So it's probably that. Where?
It's
Where?
up,
It's
up.
in music. Okay, so... But it shouldn't be. If it is Twitch, it should destroy it. And here it just increases the volume if it's not Twitch. I'm not sure why it is working like that. A wake doesn't happen if it's already
Yeah,
there.
definitely.
We need like... Okay, I'm gonna put this in update.
On scene load.
There is that.
Yeah, on scene.
Sorry about this, we just need to fix it really quickly.
It's not. I don't know what's the method name.
How do you know it? Uh-huh.
Yeah, put it in update, yeah, definitely. Yeah.
If this is the Twitch scene, destroy this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, this should be fine.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, we have like 3 music. 5 music. How many times we played? I don't know.
You don't think you can win against when there is more people? No, you can. You just need to kind of get a feeling for it. Like, all right, what kind of characters are going well together? Some combinations are very good, like, or if you see that many people are using like orcs, then archers are going to be good. Or, for instance, I know that I'm gonna increase it on 10, so we have 10 units, and yeah, studying. Okay, so I know that ghouls and priests are pretty fair team. I'm going to add 1 ghoul, 1 priest, and 1 mage on the side. Now again, if somebody chooses 1 archer level 10, I fear for my safety, but they shouldn't be a bad team, because ghouls, they have huge damage but not very good, not any defense at all, but priest is there to give them shields. But I fear that this archer would just quickly go through us. Alright, let's add 1 bot and see. No, I think
This mage.
I think she is going to shoot this guy dead. What? Come on.
What the hell? What?
That was bad.
He
Yeah.
doesn't have collider or what's
No, we
wrong?
messed up something. Like the aura wasn't activated. Why so long? Why did it took it so long?
Oh, maybe because of the minimal range plus this.
Yeah, we
offset.
messed up something,
Yeah, we
like,
messed
with
up
that.
something.
Okay, I'm gonna write that down.
Yep. I think today is my day.
Yeah. Well, whoever starts playing with archers, I mean, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna nerf archers, that's it. We have to do it.
Oh, why?
We have to do it.
Well, don't, because
Well, who can, nobody can defeat
warrior
him,
can defeat.
except him. He's the only one. That's not fair. You cannot have one unit that only has one unit that counters it.
10 works can defeat it. Easy.
Yeah, bro. All right, let's try. But can you choose archer again, just for the balancing sake? Buff everyone else. That is actually great design logic. By the way, you can join if you wanna play. Just write hashtag and the name of any of these characters and your team is in, and let's go with 12 points now. I can't believe the first time ever in my life that I enjoyed a nerf. Yeah, maybe Daniel is right, maybe we don't need to nerf her. I feel like we do, because pretty much every time somebody chooses archer they win, but maybe we were just choosing wrong units.
Okay, here we go.
But you have two
Counter.
more. You have 2 more points. 12.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, if I go like with... Okay. You have 2 more points now. We are playing with 12. So I feel like maybe Vorg level 12 could do some...
Yeah.
He should be able to get her if there weren't these footmans, but we'll see. Okay, we're gonna wait a little bit more. Jacob, if you wanna join, we're gonna wait for like 10 more seconds, 15 more seconds if because we have this lag. But if you wanna join, write hashtag name of any of these characters and your team will be added here and you can compete. Basically they play on their own, but you need to find the best strategy here. Okay, man, sure. What are you working on? I added bot. Okay, this is good. I wanted to test this. I think he will die right now, but that's because of the
baits.
Baits, yeah. If he was going right after her, I think
Yeah.
he would be able to get her. Alright, so this is a bot fight. He's level 1, so no worries. Oh, game dev! What game are you building? Like bots, huh? We need to add this some kind of auto-resolve feature there. Yeah, level 10.
Yep.
Okay, let me try to abuse archers and see if I can start winning with archers. I don't know.
No way.
Let's go 15. Let's try this. Oh, I thought I had one more point. No, this is fine. I guess.
Let me counter this. Maybe.
You jumped from your chair. By the way, if anybody have just joined, you can play the game by typing hashtag, name of any of these characters, and you are in. You have 15 points total, but so you can write warrior and enter. It will add level 1 warrior or level 10 warrior. That will take 10 points. Just play around with it. It's super easy, and they're going to fight on their own.
There it is.
Mage level 12.
If he survives,
Yeah,
that's gonna
maybe
be
he can.
really good.
He has some... Everybody should be in front of him. Alright. Start.
Oof. Oh.
I doubt it. I don't think you can win this one. Archers should get the mage or not.
Yeah.
But he still won. Good job.
But I killed archers.
Yeah.
That's the...
I kind of thought that these were all the remaining units, and I figured you won, but... Okay, gonna speed this up. And now it's Uberlord against me. So Jacob said NDA, that's like not on no disclosure or something like that in Unity. So you're working for some team or you're doing your own? game. Non-disclosure agreement, yeah, that's what this is. Okay, let's go with 18. Let's go with the maximum number. Yeah, so he's working on contract. I don't know. I never really. I did some Flash games back in my day, back in a day, but I never really had that kind of contracts. It was always like something that I wanted to build, and then maybe we agreed about that, but haven't tried really some work on contract. I would probably earn more money that way, so it's a solid thing to do. But I'm stubborn this way. What should I choose? Let's try playing with the numbers. That. Alright, let's see how this goes. Yep. I like the randomization of players because I'm always curious, like who's going to play first, who I'm going to get with. Alright, so Overlord against me. Look at this army.
This mage is gonna destroy you.
Yeah,
probably.
Probably, I think so. He's good against a lot of them.
Whoa!
Okay,
that
so
was the massacre.
Mage, high-level mage is great against many units.
And also I have the mage.
No, I have no
but
idea.
Also
you have more units, so I kind of feel like
and
you
the
might
stronger
win.
mage.
Yeah, he's going to shoot fast.
Oh!
But
Come on!
yeah.
No,
No, yeah, I thought this was you.
Damn.
No, this was
Good
you.
job.
Okay. Yeah. I don't enjoy randomization. I don't get to see my best friend bot anymore. Well, it's the dice. Alright, so let's play one more. That would be...
Okay.
Again, 18 units. So this one would be the last for today. Anyway, Aber... Okay, I'm gonna talk about that later. Let's choose units now. Just waiting and pretending to be typing. Okay.
What should I... let's try something like this.
Okay, I never tried this. Well, 12 orc, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, this is bot. There is your friend bot. He's happy to see you. Okay, so now it's Daniel's against me. I think I can win this one. Or maybe not. Maybe
You
not.
think?
I think this orc is going to
Yeah.
slowly but surely. Unless we get rid of the priest, but I doubt it. Nah. Die, priest, die! And now if they could only keep them alive, but no, they can't. No way.
Yep.
He's too strong.
No, don't speed up, man. Let's see how you lose.
I don't like it.
Easily.
I don't like it.
Okay.
Alright, now let's see if you can defeat Daniels. I'm gonna slow this one down as it's the last one. I don't think he was happy, he didn't have 1 second to say hello without being shot. Ah, the bot. Maybe mage.
Come on,
can-
priest. Oh!
I think Daniels.
I am gonna lose.
win.
Yeah.
No, I can't. Good job.
Good job, man.
Awesome.
That was
Alright, so
GG.
that was the last one for today, and I want to mention that we are planning to do maybe even tomorrow, or if not on Monday, but maybe even tomorrow if we have enough ideas to make a video about how the game should look right now, the single player version with all the new updated game design ideas. So if you're interested in checking that out and maybe giving us some feedback, or maybe saying what you would like to see in the game, you can join the Discord if you already haven't. It's under the...
He is.
You think he is?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, I think
Maybe.
he's seen you too, I'm not sure. Yeah, you did, you're figuring it out, you studied. So yeah, that's it. So we're gonna talk about that and see if we can actually make this video that is going to feel like a game, and then where you can actually see how it's all going to turn out, and maybe if you guys have some ideas that we didn't think of, or maybe you figured out some abuses in the game that's like, wait, but I can just do this or that or whatever. I don't know, or maybe you played some game that is really interesting and then you had some ideas from there, or some ideas on your own. So we're gonna talk about that on Discord soon. So that is that.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Yeah, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.